That was the acoustic set. I didn't plug in, did I?
Thank you.
See, when you're playing with the lasses, you've got another 5 girls to say, oh, for goodness sake, Karen, plug in. Right then, don't listen too closely now, it's amplified. We'll do jigs now. We'll, just myself and Pete are going to play a few tunes for you first of all, and then we're going to welcome another friend on stage. And in the second half, we'll get a bit busier with bringing friends and guests up. But I'm joined this evening by the, let me get this right, quote unquote, he's all embarrassed now, time-out listings this week, quote unquote, Ryan will be joined by the incredibly capable pianist.